The best tourist places in Italy. Italy's iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Venice canals, and rolling vineyards in Tuscany. Ready to explore Italy? From ancient ruins to stunning coastlines, this is your guide to the top tourist places you can't miss in 2024. Number 1. Rome, Colosseum, and Roman Forum. Rome, the eternal city, offers endless history, from the mighty Colosseum to Vatican City. Number 2. Venice, gondolas on the canals. Venice is a floating wonder where gondolas glide through romantic waterways. Number 3. Florence, the Duomo and Renaissance art. Florence, home to Renaissance masterpieces, will take your breath away with its art and architecture. Number 4. Amalfi Coast, cliffside views and crystal waters. Experience the Amalfi Coast's dramatic beauty with its charming towns and azure waters. Want to make your trip to Italy unforgettable? Check the description below for essential travel products. Stunning aerial views of Italy's landscapes with a call to action on screen.